Phenyl filling machine and servo gear pump filling machine are widely used for accurately filling a wide range of cleaning liquids and home care products with varied viscosities and foaming characteristics. These machines are ideal for products such as white phenol, black phenol, glass cleaner, bathroom cleaner, floor cleaner, hand wash, dishwash liquid, surface disinfectant, hard surface cleaner, multi-purpose cleaner, fabric softener, detergent liquid, liquid bleach, kitchen degreaser, car wash shampoo, liquid sanitizer, drain cleaner, oven cleaner, tile cleaner, sink cleaner, window cleaner, oil stain remover, descaling solution, antibacterial floor wash, scented floor cleaner, pine oil cleaner, antiseptic liquid, carpet cleaner, upholstery cleaner, bathroom disinfectant, shower cleaner, mold remover, grout cleaner, liquid soap, surface shiner, and eco-friendly natural cleaner.